In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Godaddy. To begin, go to the main Godaddy homepage in your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you are on the official website before continuing. Once you are signed in, you will be able to access the account and regional settings that control how the site is displayed. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything appears fully so you can navigate more easily. After you are logged in, look over the page and scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You want to reach the footer section of the website. This is the area where Godaddy places important links for account, support, legal information, and regional settings. If you do not see it right away, keep scrolling until you are at the lowest part of the page. Once you are in the footer, find the link that shows the current country and language setting. This is usually located in one of the lower corners of the page. It may display your current region, language, or both together. Click that link to open the regional selection menu. When the menu appears, you will see a grid or list of available countries and languages. Take a moment to review the options carefully. Choose the country or language that you want to use for your Godaddy experience. This setting can affect the language used across the site, and in some cases, it may also change how regional content, currency, or support options are shown. After you select your preferred option, the site should update to reflect your new language or region. If the change does not appear immediately, give the page a few seconds to refresh. In some cases, you may need to navigate to another page on the site or reload the current page to see the updated display. That is really all you need to do. The process is simple once you know where the country and language link is located. If you ever want to switch back or choose a different language later, just return to the footer and repeat the same process. That covers everything you need to know.